All right, so today we have the Fenix 5X Plus. As we know, big fan of the Garmin watches. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Not too much different about, well, size-wise, but in the box is probably not gonna be special. The features is what's gonna be the big difference. You got the music now, the Garmin Pay, the new Galileo. And then you got your, watch mode, GPS mode. Weight and size are about the same. Let's get into it. Do it pretty quick. Turn around. 5X Plus. Again, this retails for $849.99. Sapphire edition. Black with the black band. Let's do one final spin. Get into it. Okay. Get the watches. The watch is pretty good in there. We'll set it up here. Still 50 bucks. Looks like just the charge cable. Same charge cable as previously. The instructions, if we can figure out how to get in this package. Alright, some instructions. Instruction booklet. Let's close this up. Right there, and let's hold it. Again, these watches, they do feel a lot bigger. My buddy who had an Apple Watch, he was like, man, your watch is huge, when he was holding my 5X just the other day. Okay, so all right, and again, it does have that new extra sensor. Let's open it up. Same style band we're used to if you've had the Fenix 3, Fenix 5, any of those. The new O2 sensor. Alright, and again, that's pretty much it. Let's set it down here. Okay, and if you're just looking for a quick, throw it in there. Again, I've had my 5X for over a year now, so again, seems like the brass, look a little discoloration maybe. That's where you're talking about the sensors. Difference in sensors. Looks like the charge is a little bit different. Little cat hair in there. Well, yeah. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Looking excited to having music while I run again. Haven't had one since I've had like the little small square iPod Nano. All right. So just stay tuned for, again, we'll add like, what do I think of it? How does it compare to the regular 5X? And all right, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys know what to do. Appreciate it, guys.